Well, hello, group piano teachers. We've been talking a little bit about, I've been talking about um, group piano mastery and what is that all about. And one of the things that is number one on the list is a profitable studio. Now, I know as group piano teachers, as piano teachers in general, or musicians in classical music or in the educational field, we don't like to talk about music. We don't like to talk about money. What am I thinking? I almost stopped this. I'm not going to stop it. I'm just going to keep talking. Um, and a profitable studio is going to mean a different things for different people. So, profitable studio means that you can live the life that you want to live, and your teaching or whatever you do in music at your studio. For me, it's group piano. What I do is sustainable. Like, it will sustain the way that I can pay my bills, go on vacation if I want to, buy the books that I want to, and just whatever. Pay for life insurance, insurance of this building, all that stuff. So, what is a profitable studio for you? What does that mean for you? It's different things for different people. I want to give you one example. Is I was able to put my son through college. I paid everything cash. I didn't have the money saved. I just had my group piano studio, and I was able to pay for his college. Now that I look back on it, I'm like, wow. That was it's a big deal. It's a big deal. I was able to set him up and go live your life without that debt hanging over him. That was one of the goals of my life, was be able to do that. Your goals are different. Maybe you just want to pay off your house. Maybe you just want to pay off your cars. Maybe you just want to retire. That was a profitable studio for me, being able to live and also give that gift to my son. So, with Piano Pyramid, it's possible. You knew I was going to come back to that. Because with Piano Pyramid, you have a framework for your group piano classes. And you're not going to be spending all your time planning every day, depending on what kids you have in class. You have to figure out, what am I going to do this week? How am I going to manage the schedule that doesn't give me space to do anything else? My schedule gives me space to do other things besides teaching. That's what I want for you. I already made all the mistakes. Oh my gosh. You would think that I've been doing this since I started teaching in 1986, when I started teaching groups. No. It's been a minute, maybe two, that I've been actually following my own framework and not having to spend all my time just teaching, but teaching successfully in a group setting. So anyway, I'm going to put the link somewhere on here so you can check out Group Piano Mastery. We have, you don't have to, purchase our videos or get on our live training. It would be good if you would, because then you just start without making all the mistakes. Just do it right from the beginning. But you can also just buy the curriculum and follow the instructions. It's no big deal. What's different is that Mindy and I are here to help you. So, Group Piano Mastery, you'll find it at pianopyramid.com, and I'll add the link there. And yeah, let's keep talking about making money and having success with our students and having them actually be excited about learning to play the piano.